Warning, funny content.
Hey guys, it is me, Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be doing a fidget spinner video. So I'm super duper sorry about the camera.
It scared me. It scared me. It's like the car. Oh my god.
Yeah. So basically today I have a couple things in plan. So I have this. This is my friend Ryan.
Hey.
And the reason why I'm taller is because I'm on a skateboard. So, like, when I step down, we're about the same height. Not really. I'm way taller than you. I have his bearings. I had to take them out because I didn't want his LEDs to get. Well, they're not his. They're actually mine. But he has a red fidget spinner, and it looks really good with LEDs. So I'll just let him borrow it for the day.
Test of these.
And this is my fidget spinner. It looks.
She keeps dropping stuff. She's clumsy.
So anyway, what we're gonna be showing, I'm gonna show you guys how to do. I'm sorry if this is dirty. I don't even care if this is dirty or not, but who cares?
I'll clean my ears with it.
No, it was really dusty. So we have canola oil and canola oil and rubbing alcohol.
Canola oil.
Canola oil. So I just like pouring this on here. The difference, it spins much better, and it's starting to get the rust out. But we need paper towels. We don't have any napkins for it.
Okay.
The closest thing I could find.
Cover.
Yes, a cover. So we're gonna clean it
I
off.
want y'all just to show y'all this. Yes.
We clean it off
this,
with the cover.
This.
Let's go.
A breast frame.
Oh my gosh. We are going to go ahead and use the rest of Q2. That scared me. That scared me. It's really windy outside. That's why we're in the garage. Go ahead and put this back into the fish spinner. And, God, people. Look at that. Anton, you owe me.
What you talking about?
So basically, I think he put it on wrong. But this is basically his fidget spinner. It was only 20 bucks. And these aren't his original lights. These are mine. And it actually, look at this. Look at the camera. You see that, Zaya? You see that, Kyra? It looks like it has 4 circles.
Nice, candy is nice.
No,
Yeah, that's what
on
that's
the
yours.
camera. So
Oh, you got
this, it's my friend's Antoine's. Shout out to Anton. Link in the description. Also, his Musical.ly is link in it. I'm gonna make a deal with Tim. If he gets at least 10 followers, then he's gonna start posting Musical.lys. So try to get him to that, and yeah. So Anton, this is your fidget spinner now. Put it next to the mic. You can't hear anything.
And you can see this.
You can't hear anything because once you put that oil on there, silent.
you too.
Wait.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment because in the next video it will be the comment of the day.
Yeah,
So if you guys like fidget spinners, put hashtag fidget spinner link in the description, and see you guys in the next episode.
time.
Peace out.
Peace out.